Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of black screen while playing a video on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now check if it is copyrighted content because a lot of copyrighted content may not play on your system by any media player. That is a policy. So if it is copyright content, you may get a black screen while trying to play videos. Now the second one is to simply change the media player. For example, this one is set to open a VLC. So right click on it, select open with, and then select, let's say, movies and TV. Okay, and it should usually work. The next one is to reinstall the media player. Now how would you do that? So let us say that the media player is VLC. Search for VLC in the Windows search bar. Click on the downward pointing arrow, select uninstall, and then you can scroll down to VLC. Select this and uninstall it completely from your system. Click on OK and then next and then uninstall it. OK, and then click on finish. And then open the Microsoft Store, search for VLC and hit enter. Then open VLC and then click on install. And lastly, if everything else fails, then disable graphic acceleration on your system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display, and now you can scroll down and click on graphics and then click on change default settings and then disable this option for hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.